the? What's this? Oh, what can it be? What is your problem? Oil and chassis inspection? What the? I can do this. I can do this. Must call fast delivery. Yes, hello, mister? Yes, I want fast delivery for oil. Yes. Okay, fast delivery. Very fast, need oil. Yes, my friend. Yes, oil. And catch can, maybe catch can oil. And oil for thing. For my boat. Yes, thank you. Yes, see you later. Yes, thank you. Okay, okay, bye bye. Thank you. Bye. Fast delivery? Yes? Ah, thank you. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel of the Loudly Car Drivers. Today my fk8 needs new oil. So I'm gonna give him new oil, and while I'm busy with that I can drain the oil of my gearbox also. So I bought it, and for the oil we can do this also. It's the oil catch can. I already put it on, it's not so hard, just 4 bolts, this, click it on, it's done. Okay, let's start with the beginning. He must go more up, and as you can see, there are my race ramps. We're gonna use it. So, okay guys, we are now underneath the car, and what we have to loose is this, and all of this. I hope you can see it. And then it will go loose. It's very easy. You need a Phillips screwdriver and a flat one. So let's do it. I think all is loose. Yes, like you see, it's all loose. I can put it there. Now, oil, you see, it's here is the oil. And for my gearbox is here. Okay. Also, my little oil filter is here. So this I have to do also, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna take a box, I'm gonna take my tool, and then the oil must go with the flow. Can you see the black gold running? All right. So, okay guys, now oil filter time. I'm using this on my oil filter. I hope it's easy, but I don't think it's gonna be easy. So let's try it at force. Okay. Oh yes. I'm a lucky boy. It's getting loose. Foot loose. if you have a tool for the oil filter to put here on it, well, buy it, or it worked better than this, but okay, it's loose. I'm a happy boy. Not loose enough. This is like you see, if you're watching films on YouTube and it's easy, it's not easy. I can tell you that. Nothing is easy, but if you don't try it, then you don't know how it works. And if you're going to the garage, you will pay a lot of it for just doing this. And if these guys, okay, they need 10 minutes because they got a, okay, it's loose, the tool for it. It works, so okay, now yes, now I do not need this anymore. I will think there will come some oil with it. Yes, it will, motherfucker. One second, please. Okay, it will not be that much, but you see, now all the oil is away. I've got 5 liters, but I think maybe you need 6 liters now because you are going to change all of it. If you don't like to be dirty, I don't care to be dirty. Okay, so this is this, that is that. It's black gold, I like to say. Not for me. It's money I've lost, but it's all for the car. It seems like it's the same. Do not have to just with a hand, it's okay. A little bit cleaning. Voila, that's it. Okay, what's next? Now I'm gonna using this, removing my filter so I can put the oil back for my gear. Okay, and then we are going to remove this for the oil can, catch can. And then we are going to look which one I need for the oil, and I do not see it really. Maybe it's this one. Yes, This one, I hope you see it. It's hard. I think this one here, yes, this. I think this one is it. Okay. Okay. Work right now. So here you can put your gear oil in. I'm gonna put some oil in my gearbox now. I want to use this, but it's too big, the hole. So, like MacGyver do, he make from nothing to something we can use. I know, I'm an amateur. But if it works, it works. I hope it works. Now, easy peasy. Not come out, must go back in. Okay. It's going nice. Nice, like a glove. Okay. Next one. So it's 2 liters of oil I'm putting in. I think that's enough, 2 liters. Easy boy. Okay, that's in. That's done. Now we're going to put some motor oil in it.
Nice clean motor oil.
Next is oil catch can, guys. The oil catch can. So They say it's easy. Let's see, it's easy. I have to lose this.
Numero uno. Very long. I'm going to put this right away here. And bolt it on.
So guys, you can see it's been installed. I did something different. I used this one here. This is coming from here. I used that one to put this here so it can go back where it needs to be, and then I used a new one here. It was much easier than to take this one out. So it's done. I just checked my oil. It's okay. Okay, I think I need to do the finishing touch is underneath the plate to install, and then we are going to do a test drive. So guys, gear changing, very good. I had always had a problem with the second gear, but now it's fine. I had a little bit problem when I started. It's my own stupid fault because I didn't put a sensor on my air filter, and I was thinking, oh my god, I have no more horsepower. But okay, it's fine. He's doing the stuff I need to do. So okay, it's nice again. Next video, I hope to can make then it's tuning. It's I'm going to tune my car on the 7th of January. I hope I can film, but with COVID, we do not know. But I will test it. You will see it. Till next time, guys. See ya. Peace. Bye bye.